Number 1. 1969 Chevrolet pickup, $9,000, Reno, Nevada. This 1969 Chevrolet pickup is a running and driving project powered by a fuel-injected 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a TKX manual transmission, a popular modern upgrade known for strong durability and smooth shifting. The truck shows 21,887 miles, though the odometer has rolled over. With rear-wheel drive, a clean title, and several unspecified extras, it offers a solid foundation for a driver-quality build. The combination of classic styling and updated drivetrain components makes it appealing for enthusiasts wanting reliability without losing vintage character. Number 2. 1957 Chevrolet C10 2-ton, $6,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1957 Chevrolet C10 2-ton flatbed is a mostly original survivor, ideal for farm work or restoration. It features the original drivetrain with a 327 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and a 2-speed rear end. The truck starts, runs, and drives, showing 58,000 miles on the odometer. The frame has been rust protected, and the body has no major rust issues. Minor dents and minimal filler reflect an honest work history. The clean interior, original bench seat, and clean title add value. For vintage medium-duty truck collectors, this is a solid, authentic candidate. Number 3. 1959 GMC 100 pickup, $15,000, Grover Beach, California. This 1959 GMC 100 pickup has undergone a substantial mechanical refresh, including a fully rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8, TH350 3-speed automatic transmission, Holley Brawler carburetor, headers, and dual flowmasters. With roughly 170 miles on the rebuild, it offers strong performance and a reliable drivetrain. The truck has a bare metal, clear-coated aesthetic with black accents for a rugged driver look. New interior components like carpet, insulation, headliner, and brand new Cooper Cobra tires enhance comfort. While it lacks power steering and uses drum brakes, it runs and drives great for a 66-year-old truck. A solid driver for someone who wants a vintage look with modernized power. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet C20, $14,500, Loomis, California. This all-original 1964 Chevrolet C20 is a true survivor with authentic patina and original drivetrain and interior. Showing approximately 65,000 miles, odometer broken, it carries a clean California title and current registration. The manual transmission and factory heavy-duty suspension reinforce its work truck heritage. It starts easily, drives well, and has a straight, honest body. Needs include a missing tailgate and aged bedwood, typical issues for trucks of this era. For buyers seeking originality over customization, this C20 offers genuine mid-1960s character. Number 5. 1978 Ford F150 4x4, $15,000, Kalispell, Montana. This 1978 Ford F150 Custom Short Box is equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, 4-barrel carburetor, and headers. Finished in black with working 4-wheel drive, it shows 117,000 miles and retains classic late 1970s Ford styling. The truck runs well as is and appears to be a straightforward, dependable driver. These 6th-generation F-Series models are known for their squared-off design and strong off-road capability, making this example appealing for enthusiasts seeking a vintage 4x4 with solid mechanicals. Number 6. 1975 Ford F250, $11,500, San Marcos, California. This 1975 Ford F250 features a 360 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and an 8-foot-long bed. With 72,010 miles shown and a clean title, it runs and drives well. The truck includes dual gas tanks and a Kelsey trailer setup, making it useful for hauling or work purposes. Mid-1970s F-250 models are favored for their durability and simple mechanical design, and this example offers a dependable classic truck at a reasonable entry-level price. Number 7. 1987 Toyota pickup, $11,500, Templeton, California. This 1987 Toyota pickup is a four-wheel drive model with a new engine, 10,000 miles, new clutch, K&N air filter, Smitty-built front bumper, and trail gear rear bumper. Showing 256,480 miles, it benefits from Toyota's reputation for durability and longevity. The red paint, manual transmission, and functional upgrades make it a capable trail or ranch truck. These late 1980s Toyota pickups are increasingly collectible due to their legendary toughness and simple, reliable engineering. Number 8. 1989 Ford F150 Lariat, $16,500, Harlandale, Texas. This 1989 Ford F-150 Lariat is an exceptionally preserved example with 80,000 original miles and a clean title. It features American racing wheels, Yokohama Geolandar AT tires, dual gas tanks, power windows and locks, dual exhaust, and a like-new UWS toolbox. The truck runs, shifts, and stops as expected for a well-maintained classic. The air conditioning has been recharged but could cool better. Mostly stock aside from convenience upgrades, this is a premium late 1980s Ford in excellent condition, ideal for someone seeking originality with light modernization. Number 9. 1973 Ford F100 4xD, $17,000, El Dorado Hills, California. This 1973 Ford F100 four-wheel drive truck is a semi-barn find originally from Sandy, Oregon. With 99,700 miles, it received extensive past mechanical work by the previous long-term owner. The engine starts easily with the automatic choke, running smoothly once warmed up. Dual exhaust provides a strong but controlled tone. The truck operates surprisingly well for its age, demonstrating impressive smoothness for an early 1970s 4x4. As a two-owner vehicle with a clean title and preserved history, it is a strong candidate for enthusiasts wanting a well-sorted vintage Ford pickup. Number 10. 1975 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne, $16,500, New Prague, Minnesota. This rust-free 1975 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne is a highly optioned, numbers-matching truck with a 350 V8, TH350 automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, dual fuel tanks, sway bar, and factory air conditioning converted to modern R134A. With 139,000 original miles and only one repaint in factory crimson red, it remains completely unmodified. Everything functions properly, including all bulbs and switches. This clean West Coast example is ideal for collectors seeking authenticity and factory correctness in a mid-1970s Chevy pickup. Number 11. 1959 Ford F100 Custom, $35,000, Sacramento, California. This beautifully restored 1959 Ford F100 has only 3,600 miles since completion and over $60,000 invested. It features a 300 cubic inch inline six with twin Weber carburetors, a new C6 automatic transmission, a 9-inch rear end, headers, tinted glass, and stunning original color torch red paint. With no rust and award-winning presentation, it already won Best Truck at a show. This is a premium, show-quality late 1950s Ford that blends period charm with tasteful performance upgrades. Number 12. 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed. $23,000, Elysian Valley, California. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed stands out with its bright orange, Harley-Davidson-inspired finish and clean California historical vehicle registration. It has a Chevy V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing 27,747 miles. The truck is a strong driver, suitable for cruising or local shows, retaining classic mid-1960s style and catching modern twist. Its clean title and historical vehicle status make it a desirable, well-kept classic pickup. Number 13. 1967 Ford F250 Highboy, $26,000, Morrison, Colorado. This 1967 Ford F250 Highboy is an upgraded 4x4 equipped with a performance-built 460 cubic inch V8, replaced automatic transmission, divorce transfer case, and a lift with Skyjacker front suspension and rear airbags. The truck has a clean title, a high-quality silver paint job, minimal rust, and excellent body corners. With aftermarket gauges, locking hubs, improved fueling, and steady highway capability up to 70 miles per hour, it is a well-sorted highboy, highly desirable among classic Ford 4x4 collectors.